So before we do anything about database, moving any data to database, we need to create the database first of all. So we are going to use MySQLi. So once you download, if you know how, well, and I'm not supposed to teach you this because I expect you to know it already. I'm using XAMPP or XAMPP, or I don't if you can see the logo here. So what we have to do now is to go to localhost PHPmyAdmin. All right, so let's wait for it to load. All right, now we are in PHPmyAdmin. This is where we are going to build, or the database. This is video share. This is the old, or should I say the project I did myself. So we have to create a new database. Okay, so this one is called video share DB, but let's just call our own uh, video share. All right, so go to new, then database name, let's call it vid share. Okay, vid share. Now create. Database has been created, so now we have to create new table, or we have to create a table. All right, because here, what do we have here? We have the title, we have description, then the URL will be going. This one is we will extract only the URL, but not this URL, the URL we give to the video, the unique one. So we already have how many? 1, 2, 3. Then we also have another one called ID. So we'll go with 4. All right, we can change it, but we'll go with 4 columns. All right, so let's call it name. Okay, the last one I use, let's call it videos. Now table name is videos, the number of columns is 4, then create. All right, now the first one we have to call it ID. The type is int. Int means integer. So the reason why we are going to leave it as integer is that it is numbers that we are expecting, just integer, just number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so forth and so on. Then I believe you have to leave every other thing, then go straight to AI. AI means auto increment. We select it so that whenever this one we are not going to supply it. Okay, that is why we cannot find anything here called ID. So this one will be done by PHP or the computer itself. Then the second one, let's call it title. Then type will be title, because we don't, just very short stuff. We don't need the title to be too long. So let's call it varchar. The type we're going to use. Then length and value is 255. Then is there any other thing? No, I don't think there's any other thing. Then this one will be description. Okay, description, we use text. Where is it? Text. So we don't supply anything here because text can be as long as, you understand. You can to describe your video, you describe it as long as as much as you want to. Then the other one will be video URL. All right, this is where we store the video URL. Of course, we might need one. We might need one more. Okay, we might need one more for, what is it called, for dates. So simply go here as where it says add one, then go. Then this one will be dates time, or let's call it dates. Yes, let's call it date time. So first of all, I forgot something here. Then the video URL. Video URL. Should we go with text? No, let's go with varchar, because I don't expect the text to be so long as 255. So let's use 255. This that is the length of the text. Then dates, we go with date time. Where is it? Somewhere here. Date time. Okay. So that's it. That's it. Then for the title, we default. Okay, no, let's leave it. I think it's description that we can say default null. So even if the person doesn't supply the description, no problem. We can still accept it like that. So then go to save. Okay. Now we have ID, we have title, description, video URL, then dates. Okay. So that's basically it. Let me zoom out a little bit. Okay. So that's basically it. We don't need any other thing. So this, as for the date time, I believe, wait, let me check the old one and see how I did it. Yes, I know I forgot something. I missed one thing. So the date time, okay? Because as it is now, we are the one that will have to supply the date time, but we don't have to do that. So go to here, click change, then it says, date time, then where is it again? Attributes. Is it attributes? No, it's not attributes. Somewhere here. No, not this one. Default. Okay, current timestamp. Then save. Okay, current timestamp simply means whenever we upload anything, then it will quickly get the time and save it here. The time when that video was uploaded. All right, so we are done with this. Okay.